We saw the future during the oil crisis in the 70s, a future built on limited resources, dependent on cheap imported energy, a vulnerable future. We decided to change direction, to become more energy efficient, to invest in renewable energy, to modernize our industries and energy sectors. We succeeded. Our economy has grown by 80% since 1980. Our energy consumption remained the same. Our future didn't. Today, we are among the most energy-efficient societies in the world, but we aim higher. Fossil fuels reduced by 33% before 2020. Renewable energy increased to 33%. Energy consumption lowered by 6%. By 2050, we're completely independent of fossil fuels, with a stable supply of renewable energy, lower CO2 emissions, clean urban environments, energy-efficient buildings, more competitive, less vulnerable, securing green growth for generations to come.